Hi to all, welcome back to my channel by KSL Academy. Now we are going to see a process sum, process accounting, sum in cost accounting. In this sum we have three process A, B and C, right? And this sums in this sum there is no scrap value is given, there is no loss is given or wastage is given, and even in this sum we are not supposed to find out any abnormal loss or gain since there is no value has been given. Okay, right? So we are directly going to find out, we are just directly going to post all those expenses and carry over the closing stock to the next process, right? So process A oda stock closing the next process B ku nam transfer panna porom. Okay, right? And inga pathinga appadinaka we have some expenses like material, labor and direct expenses like fuel, carriage. Okay, also we have work overheads, and we have an additional information that the indirect expenses rupees 1275 should be apportioned on the basis of wages. Okay, see in this sum they doesn't give that wages indirect expenses for process A, B and C separately. They gave overall amount. Okay, they gave overall amount. We are supposed to apportionate on the basis of wages. Okay, wages or ratios la நம்ம என்ன பண்ணோம் அப்படினாக்கா indirect expenses நம்ம என்ன பண்ணோம் அப்படினாக்கா calculate பண்ணனும். Right? Fine. Let's see the sum. Okay, so first we are going to calculate process A account. Okay, so process A account, right? We are going to post all those expenses like material, labor, fuel, carriage, work overheads. Okay, right? So first one, material. So to material, it is 2250. Next one is labor, 1200. Next one is fuel, 300 rupees. So two fuel expenses, 300 rupees. Next one is carriage, 200 rupees. So two carriage expenses, 200 rupees. Next is work overheads. Work overheads is 1980. So 1980 enter panirom. There is two work overheads, 1980. Now we are going to post indirect expenses. Okay, so to indirect expenses 300. How this 300 came? Right? See, we have one working note. We'll see. Yes, now we are going to calculate indirect expenses on the basis of wages. See, we have wages like 1200 for A, B is 3000 and 3 is 900, right? So this we can take like cancel. So in 3 tables, 1 time, 3 time and 10 times, 3 times and 4 times. Okay, so the ratio is 4:10:3, right? So we are going to calculate indirect expenses for A, that is 1275 into the ratio for A is 4 and the total ratio is 17. Now we are going to calculate 1275 into 4 divided by 17. So we'll get 300. So 300 is for A. Okay, process A. So indirect expenses is 300 for process A. Then for process B, 1275 into 10 by 17. And for process C, it is 1275 into 3 by 17. Okay, right? Now, see, 1275 into 10 divided by 17 is 750. Right? And for C, it is 1275 into 3 divided by 17. So it is 225. Okay. So the indirect expenses for A is 300, B is 750 and C is come. So the indirect expenses now it is 300. Right. So add all this amount, we will get 6140. Okay. So now we are going to transfer. There is nothing to post in credit side, only the closing balance. Okay, so that is by transfer to process B. By transfer to process B, the entire amount, the entire closing balance amount has been transferred. That is 6140 is been transferred to process B. Right? Now we are going to see process B account. Okay, so in the 6150 by transfer, the first thing you to transfer from process A 6140. Okay, then all these expenses, right? Material, labor, fuel, carriage, work overheads and indirect expenses. இது எல்லாமே நம்ம என்ன பண்ண போறோம் அப்படினாக்கா இங்க போட போறோம். Okay, right? Like first material 750, labor 3000, fuel expenses 200. இங்க இருக்கிற B ல process B ல இருக்கு இல்லையா, process B ல இருக்க entries நாம் போட்டுட்டு இருக்கிறோம் இப்போ. Okay, right? Then carriage expenses 300, work overage 2580 and indirect expenses நம்ம calculate பண்ணோம் பாருங்க 750 rupees. Working note ல போட்டோம் இல்லையா, அந்த 750 rupees. Okay, again total all, so it is 13,720. Okay, so 13,720. So balance பண்றீங்க, that is credit side ல it is been transferred to process C account. So by transfer to process C account 13,720. Then again in the 13,720 நீங்க என்ன பண்றீங்க, you are going to carry on to you are just going to brought down to process C account. Okay, so process C account first closing இங்க opening ல எடுத்து வந்துறோம், that is to transfer from process B account 13,720. and இப்போ questionல இருக்கிற இந்த informations, material 300, labor 900, fuel 400, carriage 100, work overage 1875 and indirect expenses 225. working note ல calculate பண்ணி வச்சிருக்கிறத நம்ம என்ன பண்ண போறோம், entry பண்ண போறோம். So materials 300, labor 900, fuel expenses 400, carriage expenses 100, work overage 1875, indirect expenses working note ல போட்ட 225. Total it is 17,520. since process C ஓட work over, so process C ஓட அந்த accounts over ஆகிறதுனால இங்க by transfer to process ன்னு போடக்கூடாது, we are supposed to enter as by finished goods. Okay, by transfer to finished goods it's 17,520. see, as I repeat already, in this sum there is no loss or wastage. Okay, so அதனால நமக்கு abnormal loss or abnormal gain இதெல்லாம் எதுவுமே கிடைக்காது. just straight away நம்ம என்ன பண்றோம், expenses post பண்றோம் and அதோட balancing amount next processக்கு நம்ம transfer பண்றோம். in next sums okay, நம்ம வந்து scrap value, loss, wastage and abnormal loss and abnormal gain பார்ப்போம். Okay, hope it's clear and it's understand. see, come let's move on to next sum.